Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Val from Inside Out 2. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw a curve up and back down on the left. Then leave a gap and let's do the same on the right. Now let's zoom in to draw the rest of the face. Let's close off the bottom of each eye with a curve across. And now inside each eye towards the center, let's draw a circle. And then inside, let's draw another circle in the center. And then color both of these in black. And then another small circle on the top right. And lastly, for the eyes, let's draw a few small eyelashes on the top corners. And that's it for the eyes, and now let's hop out and let's start drawing the shape of the face. Let's start with a small line down on both sides. Then let's bring it down and in for the jaw. And then close it off with a curve at the bottom. Next, let's hop back inside and let's draw a curve across in the center for the nose. Then underneath for the mouth, let's draw a curve up and over to the right. Now let's hop to the top and let's draw the eyebrows. Let's start with a curve on top of each eye. Now from the center, let's bring it up. Then let's bring it out and back down to close off each eyebrow. Next for the head, let's move to the right side and let's draw the ear with a curve on the side. And then another curve inside. Next, let's add the earrings. Let's draw a small circle at the bottom, and then two curves along the top. And that's it for the ear. Now let's move up and let's draw the top part of the face. From the right side, let's curve it up, and then curve it over to the left, stopping here. Now that we have the shape of the face, let's move down underneath and let's draw two small curves going down and out for the neck. Next, let's move back up to the top and let's add the hair. Let's start on the top right and let's draw a curve up and over to the left. And then let's bring it down with a wavy line like this. Now from the top, let's draw another wavy line on top all the way down. Now let's move back up to the top and let's draw another curve up and over on the left. Then let's bring it down with a wavy line again. And curve it back in at the bottom. Now let's draw another small wavy line down. Then let's hop up next to the neck and let's continue it down with a wavy line. And that's it for the left side of the hair. Now let's move over and let's draw the right side. Let's start by adding the shoulder. Underneath the neck, let's curve it out and down. Now top up to the top and let's draw a wavy line down on the right and into the shoulder like this. And then one more small curve inside at the top. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start from the shoulder and let's draw a curve up and over to the left. And then 2 curves under the shoulder for the tank top. Now top underneath and let's draw a curve down and then bring it in. And the same under the hair on the left. And then connect it at the bottom. Now underneath, let's step in from the sides and let's draw 2 small lines down. And then a curve across. Now from the bottom corners, let's curve it out and down for the hips. Next, we're going to move to the sides and add the arms. Let's start by drawing the right side. From the shoulder, let's continue the sweatshirt by bringing it down and curving it in at the bottom. And the same thing on the left here. And then close it off at the end. Next, for the end of our sleeve, let's draw a small rectangle shape at the end. And now let's add the hand underneath. Let's draw a curve in and back out for the thumb. Then an angled line on the outside. And then another curve down and back out for the rest of the fingers. And that's it for the right arm. Now let's move over and let's draw the left side. Let's start on the left near the hair and let's draw 2 angled lines going out. And then let's bring it back in from the outside. Then from the inside line, let's step up and let's angle it in and continue it on the other side of the hair. And then a curve at the bottom. Now let's draw that same rectangle shape at the bottom for the end of the sleeve. And then underneath, let's draw a curve out and back in for the hand. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move in and let's draw the legs. From the lines we drew earlier, let's continue them downwards. And then 2 angled lines from the center. Now from the outside line, let's bring it out and back in. And then a zigzag line in the middle. And then close off the bottoms with a curve across. Now for the end of the pants, let's draw 2 lines down. And then a curve across the bottom. And then hop underneath and let's draw another 2 lines down for the ankles. Now at the bottom here, let's draw the shoes. Let's start with a larger curve across. Then let's bring it down on both sides. And then a curve at the bottom. Now for the soles of the shoes, let's draw another set of lines down. And then a curve at the bottom again. Next, let's move in and let's draw the details. At the bottom, let's draw a curve going up. Then let's draw 2 lines up and out like this. And then some lines across for the laces. And that's it for Val. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!